Hi everyone, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. In this video, we are going to be focusing on the salivary glands. We have the parotid, the submandibular, and the sublingual salivary glands. So if we think about sublingual, lingual refers to the tongue, so we can see the tongue here. Sub refers to below, so that means that this salivary gland below the tongue, again, tongue, salivary gland below the tongue, is going to be the sublingual salivary gland. Submandibular salivary gland below the mandible. The mandible would be here. It's been cut away so that we can see the salivary glands better, especially this sublingual salivary gland. So again, if we find that piece of mandible that's exposed here, below the mandible is the submandibular salivary gland. And then finally here, this large gland, salivary gland right here, this is going to be the parotid salivary gland. We've got the parotid salivary gland, the submandibular salivary gland, and then the sublingual salivary gland.